Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be covering the new OpenAI plan, ChatGPT Pro, as well as what it comes with and what results it's getting in benchmark testing. So OpenAI just launched ChatGPT Pro, and that's a $200 a month plan up from their already existing Plus, which was $20. If you've been following Sam on X, you'll see that recently he announced that they're actually losing money on their subscriptions. So why would OpenAI be pushing this, and what does it mean for businesses and AI enthusiasts? Let's break it down. And what we'll start with is what you're actually getting from the Pro plan. So as you can see, we've got the $200 plan here. So you get everything that comes in the Plus, as well as unlimited access to O1, O1 Mini, and GPT-4o Advanced Voice options. High limits for video and screen sharing in Advanced Voice, as well as access to the O1 Pro mode. Now, on top of this, we're actually getting extended access to Sora's video generation. So what that comes with is actually an increase on the amount of videos from 50 videos to the ability to generate 500 videos, as well as an unlimited relaxed videos and up to 1080p resolution and 20 seconds duration on your videos, up from the 720p and 5-second duration that comes with the Plus plan. And on top of that, we actually get to download without a watermark. Now, I've played around with Sora personally, and it's really cool that we get to extend how much we get out of Sora because it does feel limited. So if that's something you're interested in, you're going to find that as a really big benefit there. So what we'll get into is the benchmark testing. So you can see here that when comparing the models from O1 Preview to O1 to O1 Pro mode, we've actually conducted 2 sets of tests, and that is a 1 out of 1 accuracy and a 4 out of 4. So what they've done is essentially they'll ask it a question, is it accurate the first time? And then they'll try and get it to repeat it 4 times consecutively. Each set covering competition math questions, competition coding, as well as PhD level science questions. Now, you can see within the 1 out of 1 reliability test, with just the general O1 preview that we had prior, it had a 50% accuracy rate within competition math levels. Now with the O1 Pro, we're seeing a success rate of 86%. And then for competition code, we've got 62% from what we're used to, up to 90%. And then we've got 74% for the PhD level science to 79%. Now, you can actually see that the Pro doesn't seem to pull ahead too hard from the O1. But if we look down at the 4 out of 4 reliability test, where they expected an accurate answer 4 out of 4 times, you can see the O1 Pro mode start to pull ahead in the maths, in the competition coding, and even in the PhD level science. So as you can see here, Pro mode is essentially OpenAI's answer to research grade. And that is also paired with the fact that in this announcement, they also mentioned that they've given out 10 grants to medical researchers that are focusing on things like dementia, age-related diseases, cancers. And they're just the ones I saw. I didn't go too heavily in that, but you can see here that their focus is heavily on research and sciences. So from there, we'll cover why is OpenAI losing money on Pro mode, as well as what would their long-term play mean. And look, for why they're losing money, it just simply comes down to the compute costs. Pro mode requires massive amounts of resources to run, as well as this extension on access to Sora that they gave. And as people push these limits, you'll see that their usage costs will be skyrocketing what they're handling on their side. And look, why is this their long-term play? And why would they be happy to lose money? So they're obviously prioritizing adoption and access to the public so they can gain trust. So they're not focused on the immediate profit, but as they release these models and allow the research industries to do it, everyone to play around with it, as well as developers to experiment and innovate, what they are is they're setting themselves up as the household name as they have been in AI systems. So as you can see, it's definitely a long game. They expect to make it back later on. What does this mean for businesses and people who want to learn AI? For businesses, ChatGPT Pro gives you access to their latest tools that can be used to automate and scale their workflows. So it's ideal for the tasks like, as we've covered, coding, math, automation, and research. So for AI enthusiasts and learners, they get to experiment with the cutting edge reasoning models, as well as really get to play around with Sora, because that's where a lot of people are having their fun. You see those cool videos posted all the time on X. So what it's doing is it's just allowing you access to better stuff. For me personally, Look, I'll be skipping the GPT Pro because I don't see the utility for my use cases right now. The cheaper model often suffices, and quite often an incorrect answer can be improved with better prompts. And personally, I don't use Sora that much, so it's not really worth the 10x cost that I'd be putting into it. Let me know in the comments whether you plan to get it, and if so, what will you be using it for? And don't forget to drop a like if you found this video helpful. Have a good day, guys. Take care.